What if I was to tell you that I can increase your odds of getting a call back from a candidate, recruiter, or client that you've been targeting? What if I was to tell you that I have a trick that I'll share with you right now that is almost guaranteed to work? I'm Jeremy Nichols, and I help candidates and recruiters as we navigate this current hiring market. Wow, what an intro, right? You're probably wondering what I have up my sleeve, because that's a pretty bold statement, saying that I can dramatically increase your odds of getting a phone call. Because I mean, if I were sitting on your side of the desk, I'd be wondering the same thing. But this isn't just some trick where you can just snap your fingers and you'll automatically see results. This will take some elbow grease. Now, if you put in the work and you just listen to the tutorial that I'm about to share with you, you will see that you will have your response rate just increase incredibly. You will hear back from the majority of the people that you try this trick with, if you do it right. But as always, if you like the content that I'm providing, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ring the notification bell for weekly updates on this channel. I'll be updating every single week with content for recruiters and candidates. And I really hope that you're getting some value out of the videos that I've been sharing. And if you have any questions or comments, please just write it in the comments section below. And if you want to send me a personalized email, you can email me at jeremy@geckohospitality.com, and I'll be sure to answer any of the comments that are in the comments section below, and I'll answer any emails that come my way. So whether you're a candidate that's trying to get a callback or an email response from a recruiter or a company, whether you're a client that is trying to get in touch with a candidate, or maybe you're a business owner and you're just trying to do some business development and you're working on some leads, this trick will work. Now you're probably wondering, well, Jeremy, if so many people know about this trick, or we're sharing this video and everybody's doing it, won't it get muddied and won't it just not be effective anymore? Well, no, I don't believe that's gonna happen, because I'm gonna go over this with you and you'll see it does take some work. And let's be frank, most people, they're not gonna do it. A lot of people are lazy, they're not committed, and they're just not gonna put the work in. So I'm not afraid of sharing this. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into it, okay? Okay, so we are in a website called storyexpress.co. Now, there are plenty of other options you can use. There's Dub, Clapboard, Loom. There are these websites, and what they do is they're going to record a message and they're going to personalize it for you. So if you pay for a membership on these sites, now we're going to go through the free version, but if you pay for a membership, you can put logos on there, you can change the banners, colors, you can make it more personalized, so when you send it, it looks more professional. I don't think you have to do that if you're going after just grabbing the attention of that recruiter, hiring manager, lead. I think if you do actually, let me rephrase that. If you do get into the whole business development part and you're going after leads, you might want to pop up some money and personalize the branding. But if you're working as a candidate and you want to just send a personalized email, this will be just fine. So Loom, Dub, and this one here is storyexpress.co. Now, I am going to record a quick video. I'm going to pretend that I'm a candidate trying to grab the attention of a recruiter. Now, let's just pretend that I'm wearing a button-down shirt. I'm wearing a hoodie right now, so I wouldn't recommend that when you're reaching out to hiring managers. So let's just pretend, just for practice sake, that I'm wearing a nice button-down shirt, maybe a tie, okay? But I'll record a quick message and I'll show you what it will look like. So most of these websites are going to have a Chrome extension if you're using Chrome. And it's going to give you the option to do screen and camera. So if you're doing like a tutorial, and you can have your picture in the bottom corner and you can show your screen, you could do a screen only. Or for this exercise, I'm actually doing a personalized message, so I'm going to do camera only. So I'm going to click camera only. I'm going to record a quick message. And again, just excuse and pretend that I'm wearing a button-down shirt talking to a recruiter, but I'll record my quick message and then I will show you what to do with that message. All right, so I recorded my video and the website is going to give me a URL. Now, you don't want to copy and paste the URL and just paste that into an email that goes to the recruiter or to your business prospect. You want to personalize it. So we're going to create a hyperlink. If you already know how to do that, awesome. And if you don't, I'm going to show you real quick. It's very simple if you have Outlook. So let me jump into it right now. All right, so I recorded my video. It's all set. And I think it's perfect. I'm very professional and I'm addressing the recruiter about the position that I'm applying for. Now, in the video, I say that I'm a director of food and beverage. I've never been a director of food and beverage before. I just said it because it came to my head. I don't know. So when you watch the video, just pretend that I'm addressing a recruiter and I'm wearing a nice button-down shirt. Okay, just bear with me here. Okay, I was too lazy to throw on a button-down shirt, and I didn't feel like ironing this morning. So my apologies. So, but anyway, I'm recording a message going to a recruiter. So. Again, if you're doing business development and you're going after leads, you can do the same thing. But for this video and for the sake of length, I'm doing one and I'm pretending that I'm applying to a director of food and beverage job and I'm addressing the recruiter. And I only did one take, believe it or not. I swear to you, I did one take. So I probably would have done this one over again because there's some ums in there and I wasn't looking at the camera the whole time. But again, length of the video, I just shot it once and I'm just going to show you what to do. So when the video is finished, it's going to give you a URL. You're going to take the URL and you're going to hyperlink it. For those of you who don't know what that means, a hyperlink is just going to give you the opportunity to change the URL to the word or sentence or phrase of your choice. I'm going to go into Outlook right now and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, so we are in my Outlook and I'm going to open up a brand new email. So here's my email and I am simply going to hyperlink it. Now in the video, I address the recruiter as Brian and I am going to make a message pretty much going directly to him about a position that I saw for a director of food and beverage. So let's just pretend Brian's the recruiter and what the message would look like. So first, I want to take the URL that I got from the website. So I would just go to insert link right here, insert hyperlink. I'm going to paste in the URL and then I'm going to do the text to display. Text to display is going to be what the message says, what the hyperlink looks like that Brian will see. So let's just call it message for Brian, right? You can do it personalized message for Brian or hi Brian, click here. You get the idea. I'm calling it message for Brian. Okay, and there you go. Hyperlink. So right here is the hyperlink and I will make the message right now. Okay, so I wrote my email and it is a message to the recruiter, the fictitious Brian recruiter for the director of food and beverage position that I'm applying for, which I'm not a director of food and beverage, but you get the idea. I wrote this email. It says, "Good morning, Brian. I saw that you have a director of food and beverage position open at your ABC hotel in Miami. I would love to be considered for the opportunity. I have attached my resume to this email. I have also recorded a personalized message for you to express my excitement for the role. Please take a look. After reviewing my resume, you will see that I match the position perfectly. I would love to schedule a time to speak with you and answer any questions that you may have." And below, my video. And if Brian clicks on the hyperlink, boom, he goes to this video right here, which says, Hi, Brian. My name is Jeremy Nichols, and I saw that you had a position posted on your website for a director of food and beverage. I would love to let you know that I have 5 years experience as a director of food and beverage at a property very similar to yours. I also have a experience working with volume of over 7 million in food and beverage operations. And before I was a director of food and beverage, I worked my way up from a sous chef to a restaurant manager to eventually becoming the director of food and beverage. I think I'd be a perfect fit for this. And I have attached my resume to this email. So I hope that you'll give me a phone call and give me the opportunity to speak to you further about this position. Thank you. So as you can see, I made a email which is personalized to the T, addressing that recruiter. I made a personalized video which is addressing the position that I'm applying for. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking for business leads, this is a great thing to do for prospective clients. And if you're a recruiter, headhunter, like myself, do it to go after your candidates. This will grab their attention. Your open rate will increase dramatically. You will stick out from all the others. You will completely stand out and make yourself unique. The open rate and the response rate will 100% increase. I've heard so much success from my colleagues and friends that have done this. I have seen tons of impressive results from doing this. Most people will not put the work in to do it. That's why I'm just sharing it out there, because it does take some work and some humility. I think that if you use this, you will be very happy if you just put the work in. So again, just a couple things. Make sure your lighting looks good. Make sure your office space or where you're recording is organized. You're looking directly into the camera. You can do a bunch of trial runs and make sure the message is good. If you use a lot of these apps, there's an option for the person that you send it to reply back via video. I haven't had that happen, but you can look and see if they have viewed the video, and that will help you have a peace of mind that they actually watched it. And you will see, again, you will see that response rate increase. If you send out 10 of these, I'll be shocked if you don't hear back 50% of the time. And that is huge. Think about that, okay? As a candidate, you're going to be setting yourself apart from all the others. So just practice this, get this down pat, use this trick. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ring that notification bell for weekly updates on this channel. Again, every single week, I'll be making videos directed to you, the candidate and recruiter. And if you have any questions or comments, just put them in the comments section below. I love to see your comments, and I'll reply to everybody. So I hope all of you out there have a great week, and I will see you later.